Previously on Spicefreak.
The box from Cornish Chillies. We have Friar's hat, apricot, and purple jalapenos.
The count of three.
It's really sweet.
It's sort of bell pepper-like, but I prefer it to a bell pepper.
I mean, it's hotter than a bell pepper.
I haven't got to that stage yet. Find out in a moment. That was nice. What do you make of that? 'Cause I'm getting a bit of a lip sting now, but I didn't get any heat eating it.
No. That was less than the apricot.
I don't know if it was less than the apricot or not. It's hard to say, but certainly the lingering jalapeno completely overpowered it.
Yeah, I agree.
Right, so
Very nice though.
Facing Heavens or Lemon Drops?
Let's try the lemon drop. Wait, which one is hotter? Let's try the lemon drops.
I don't know these Facing Heavens, so I'm not totally sure. These are a bit small because again they're early season ones. Pick your side. Going for the big one, eh?
Yeah.
Brave.
I've
Oh,
got
cool,
3
Harvey.
seeds of it.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's not the seeds that matter anyway.
Oh.
It's the veins or the placenta that hold it.
This is hot. It goes back in my throat.
Yes, it is hotter than the previous ones.
Man down.
Oh. Nice and citrusy still well, right?
It is very citrusy, yeah. Yeah, I can feel that.
Oh, it goes back in the throat twice.
There we go.
So these are not quite as hot as habanero again, but they're not very far off.
What do you mean? They're way hotter than the...
Oh, they're way hotter than the apricot habanero, yeah.
Whew. I'm a bit
They're officially, I think, 50,000 to 100,000. I'm getting a slight soapiness for the sort of heat that it has, but that's just me. That's how I react to annuums and apparently bacatums too.
Wow. That is a big step up for the other ones.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a big step up for sure.
Whew. I wasn't meant to prepare for that.
Yeah, in a sauce, these make 2.53.
Yeah.
On their own, I'd say they're a bit higher. Probably more like a 4.
That felt pretty hot.
It did, yeah.
Mouth's on fire. Got a stingy heat.
Yeah.
I feel pricking in my ears now.
Yeah, I think we'll continue filming. We'll put it in outtakes, but we'll cut the main video over here and we'll come back with Facing Heavens in a little bit. So back into the video, we've gained a Sade from nowhere.
Hello.
Do you want to try Facing Heaven?
Sure.
So since we only have 2, I'm not going to be eating a whole one this time.
What a shame.
I'm going to have to give half of mine to Sade.
What a shame.
So, which side do you want?
I'll take this side.
Okay.
Well, I'll take this side then.
Sure you don't also want to take this side?
I'll take the closer side.
Okay.
Thank
I've just
you.
got the whole kit.
Deeper, slightly woodier flavour off the bat.
More,
Thinner, but still got a great crunch to it.
what's the word? It's resilient. It sort of hangs together when you chew it.
Yeah, it
Doesn't just
really
crack.
firm.
Yeah. It doesn't just crack apart.
Oh, it's spicy as well. Oh, that's coming.
Oh wow,
I really
that tastes
like
nice up by the stem.
them. They're slightly sweet to me.
A lot of fresh chilies have a little bit of sweetness to them. Especially when they're red.
Yeah. That was alright.
So yeah, that's a nice one. It's probably going to pick up some smokiness when it dries, I feel.
Yeah, could
It's
do.
got that sort of element. It's got those sort of hints to it. It's not smoky, but it will have that sort of dry, oaky, smoky element.
Oaky smoky.
Oaky smoky. So, you all want to go in for the big one?
No.
What's the big one?
The ghost.
The white
yeah.
ghost.
Oh no. I mean, ghosts are so hot. I can't imagine how hot the actual chili
Yeah.
itself.
A lot of white ghosts, they're smooth, they're not as hot as your standard ghost. This one, you can see, it's not that strain. It's nice and bumpy and it's a proper Bujalopia, not some of the other things that are marketed as white ghost.
I'm going to chicken out straight away.
Okay. Would you like to depart the video so that we have more space on the couch?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Matt.
Since space is at a premium.
So, come on in, Sade. You want in, Liz?
So this is the more hardcore.
You want to try white ghost pepper?
Oh, no.
Am I
I
gonna?
don't know how hardcore for this one.
Right, we've only got one, so
We can have like half of a half each.
half and
Half
half.
and
each.
half.
Yeah, okay, you can have a quarter each. We'll do it that way.
Well, I mean, you know, sharing is caring, so.
Well, put that way. I'm going to give you the bigger half between you.
Okay.
Oh, I should have worn gloves for this. Oh, I'm going to have ghost pepper oil on my hands. It's not too late for you two. Do you want a glove?
Yes, please.
There only is one glove. You're going to have to feed Sade.
Do you want the glove? Yeah. Just to be clear then, you want me to feed you, or you're going to eat it yourself?
Feed it. So I can
Oh,
touch
wow.
it. It's fine.
That has a very floral ghost pepper kind of aroma to it. Give that a sniff.
It does actually, yeah.
That smells like ghost pepper.
I've never had ghost pepper.
I mean, it's not got the deep red element, but everything else about that screams ghost to me. Right, take your half. And only use that hand.
Yeah. Put it off and then use
What's the
the
point
other
of
hand.
using that? Oh, I just realised we don't have a drink for you, Sade. You might have to share with Alex.
Oh, so we're getting very familiar, apparently.
Yeah.
So, is that your half or are you feeding it as a Sade?
Well, I mean, it's easy to feed
Oh,
you
is this
first.
the
Okay,
floor?
feed Sade the two.
It looks bigger than that.
It's not bigger than my half, trust me. Ooh,
Just as soon as that.
that's really sweet. Actually,
Mm.
it's got a little bit of bitterness to it, but it's also really sweet. The tip of this chili is really nice, but it's got a floral element to it. You can definitely tell it's a ghost once you get into it a bit more.
Coran, do you like the tip?
That was nicer than I thought it'd be.
Yes, Alex.
I feel like I could taste it as soon as it landed in my mouth, even though I haven't started chewing yet.
Yeah, that's because it was cut open. You're getting the inside straight on your tongue, weren't you? Or you
That was
mentioned
nicer
Halo
than I
before,
thought it would
aroma.
be. You guys really scared me there.
It's nice, but it's getting hotter and hotter now. We've got a stress toy.
See what's in the drawers. Not quite a stress toy, but it'll work as one.
Virtually now, though.
Doesn't matter. I'm not going to use that piece of foam for nothing.
It's not helping. Go check out now.
Well, after you eat it. I don't think it's physically possible for you to check it out after you finish it.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It was hot throughout. Closer you got to the stem, hotter
Why
it
am I
was
as smart as you?
getting. Right up near the stem. Brutal.
Discretion is the better part of valor.
Yeah. I feel better now.
Get it all out. Oh wow. Oh, that's picking up in my throat.
It's in the wrong point.
Ah.
Bring the bucket. Get the bucket.
I don't know if I'm going to need the bucket, but I'll let you know.
I'm glad I didn't have half of that.
I don't think that's as hot as the red ones, but it's not too far off. Definitely hotter than any non-super hot I've had. Hotter than any type of habanero.
Only the
Milk helps for a
my
bit.
lip is going for
Left hand side of my tongue is stinging like a reaper. Ow. Saliva building up my mouth like mad.
Does that help?
No. And it's got such a watery mouth at
Oh,
the
it's
moment.
getting worse.
The top of my mouth
This
is
used to have
bleeding,
milk.
so
My hand's tingling.
I feel surprisingly okay, guys.
I'm impressed by how well you're doing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
likewise.
I feel like we've experienced different preppers here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pins and needles
Maybe it's
everywhere.
maybe it's because you had like twice as much as
Yeah,
we did.
but, jeez.
You write some more than any sauce going as well, it seems.
Do you want some of Alex's milk?
Oh, that's a fresh pen. Alex, you need your milk?
No.
Great, thank you.
Down it.
I've been watching Matt from Aussie Hot Sauces recently and seeing his blood pressure stuff and just feeling the tingles in this. God knows what this is doing to me. God, the feeling I'm getting from this, I don't know. This has got to be bad for me.
To the video.
But at the same time also, if it's pumping out my blood pressure, it's going to be a heart workout. It's going to do me all sorts of good in that regard. It's not great in the short term, but in the long term, it's going to be doing wonders for my heart. So, it is a healthy hobby, even if it is a stupid one, to eat these chilies. I wish I had some tissue stuff.
Do you want to wipe your nose with this glove?
Please don't. I know what's been on that glove.
I feel like my belly's hurting now, but I think that's because I haven't eaten. So,
God damn it, Charlotte, you're supposed to eat before these things.
yeah.
I do try and warn people. I keep telling Hugh that he has to, but he just doesn't listen.
Yeah, he doesn't listen now.
I'm going to still leave it there roughly, but of these, I'd say, what were your favourites first of all, Alex?
Which was the one that was like a chewing gum perfume, but
Slightly hot. The apricot.
Shall I come back in the video?
Yeah, come on back in, Max.
Bye.
Say hi to Max, everybody.
If I'm part of the discussion.
Max is back on camera.
hello.
So what was your favourite?
Yeah, probably the apricot one as well.
Yeah, it was
That
full of flavour.
Tasted really nice.
Yeah.
And then probably the purple jalapeno.
I liked the Friar's Hat, and then I'd say apricot second.
Right.
But the other ones are they're all pretty nice.
Yeah, they were all great.
Even the
Right.
ghost.
The ghost, yes, I would not
It didn't
eat the
taste
ghost
bad.
whole again.
Yeah, I would.
But in cooking, especially with something nice and light, like say fish,
It tastes great.
that would be excellent. It was a really flavourful one. It would go well in a sauce as well. You'd make a nice white sauce out of that.
What was the smoky woody one again?
That was one of the Facing Heavens. I don't know exactly what type of Facing Heaven it
That
is.
was really nice as
No,
well.
that was good.
So you will have to go to Cornish Chillies if you want to be sure you're getting the same one. That was personally, as a fresh pepper, that was one of my less favourites out of the bunch. But I feel like dried or cooked up, that would bring out some really great qualities in it.
Yeah, I think that would be really good cooked in with something like in a stew, a spicy stew or goulash or something.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'd make a good goulash. Whereas Friar's Hat / Uber Tuber, just put that in a salad. Just straight up.
Mm.
That fresh over something, over your pizza, all sorts of things. It is a really nice replacement for bell pepper, and I'd say that's where it's going to excel. I would possibly do a sauce for that, but if I did, it would be a mild sauce to just slather on things. It wouldn't be one with a significant amount of heat, really. Because this isn't a hot chili, it's just a tasty one. The black jalapenos, they're slightly nicer than a regular green jalapeno, I think, but they're very, very similar. Mostly just, if you want that different colour, they're the thing to go for in that regard. And then lemon drops, they're quite well known at this point. They're excellent fruity flavoured chili. More citrusy than your standard fruitiness. Works really well. Yeah, I think all of these, Friar's Lantern and the apricot I really liked as sort of snacking sort of peppers.
Yeah.
And if I'm going with one of them out of the new ones, it'll be either the Ghost or the Facing Heaven. The lemon drop, however, has been a favourite for ages. It will continue to be a favourite. I will continue to cook with it. I have in fact cooked with it today, and you'll be seeing that video in a bit. Probably not today, because I don't tend to upload 2 videos in a day, but not too long after this one. So yeah, I'm going to save this Uber Tuber for seeds, and probably just see what I can do cooking-wise with this purple jalapeno. And yeah, see you again. Like this if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and look up Cornish Chillies if you want to get any of these peppers. I'm sure I'll have more stuff from them again. They've told me they have some possibly interesting sauces that are coming out, but they're all sort of quite small quantity. So we'll see what happens with those. And yeah. I'll put the link to their website down below, alongside link to when I ate the Reaper and when I ate the Trinidad perfume, just as comparisons on some of these. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
See ya.